Guys, look at this bird right here.
This is called the soup of Starling.
Pinky bird.
Is this an eagle? This is a falcon.
Falcon,
Oh,
yeah.
Eagles, kites, falcons, they are moving very slow.
Yeah, they Who's nice?
Oh yeah, pose for me, pose for me. Yes.
He's posing pretty well.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Asante. Asante.
Looks over there.
Up there, yes, yes, you can see.
Which one here?
Where?
The fog in the air.
There's a vulture up there in the frame. A big, big one. Right in front of
Where I don't see it.
in the back.
You don't see?
In the back tree?
Yeah.
Oh, right there, right there.
Yeah, huge bird.
Huge.
It's right there.
Oh, on the top?
On the top, yeah. Right there.
It's not mapping.
So it's like you need to like really zoom into it.
You have binoculars in the back.
You want?
You have binoculars.
You want them?
No, for you.
I think yesterday I saw vultures at the line, right next to the line. Look at here, look at here.
Oh my god.
Sweet baby.
This one.
There's so many.
Yeah, they're like.
I love when they flop.
Back it.
My favorite thing is Pumbaa's tail when he runs. Yeah.
Yeah, literally.
Oh, that's a vulture.
Literally, they're not very normal.
Patience, bro, patience.
Are we at the bottom of the crater?
Yeah.
Are we at the bottom now?
Yep. Bro, look at your.
I know.
They're crossing. They're crossing.
There's so many.
And they're all like young ones.
They don't seem to
There are also a lot of
The one with the little car, the house.
Oh yeah.
Look at there's so many.
tiny horns screaming.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you right in front of us. Oh, I completely missed this.
Oh yeah, you were, we were all looking on this side.
I was like, what am I doing looking at the Jeep? So the speed limit is 25 kilometers per hour, and there's a washroom right there. There's a bathrooms. So we are officially on the bed of the crater. So we drove down a long way. Okay. Hi, baby. You have no horns.
Oh yeah.
I didn't know too much about
Nice and sunny. Hey guys, look at the sun right in front.
Where?
Sun right in front. There. Like it'll be a really cool picture right there.
Like the general line.
Right, look at it.
Oh yeah, shit, that is
Cool, right?
Yeah. No, there's the sun's actually there. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, that's when I change the TV, I cannot watch. You know, when they cross and they get the crocodile sound. It's harsh. I don't do that. That and when they kill the lion.